Yo, 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 what's up? Welcome back to Dip Snipers. Let me just go ahead and get rid of those. Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Delete these videos, free up some space here. Like that. There you go. Anything else? Get rid of that one. Alright, we should have plenty of space. Alright, so let's talk about what went down yesterday. So yesterday after I turned the camera off, I went to go do some stuff. I came back to the markets. I made 5% more trading ISIG. So I actually left the day with like $10.60 profit. Perfect. So I'm stuck bag holding right now, waiting for the reversal on ISIG. Once it shows signs of strength, I'm going to be adding more to the position and getting my average down. Okay, so we're just waiting right now. The stock can do whatever, it doesn't matter. I have capital ready. So we're just waiting on that. What I might look at doing is checking out these ones. Um, I'm not sure how I feel about EXPR and OMER. We might just let them chill. I might not sell them, but really the focus right now is ISIG. So we're going to make sure that we're watching this, and we're going to try and do some trades on like some small trades, because the balance right now is only about $50, and I'd like to take 3 shares of ISIG if I could. And let's say it keeps dipping and it goes down to like $10, that's gonna be like $30. But let's say it doesn't and it stays at this price, it's gonna be like 33. So I need to have about $20 in case that I want to trade on a different stock. I need to have about $20 ready so that I can average down and I have the capital ready. Okay, so we're gonna be doing that. Let's see, I got my tea. Cheers. Let's get started. So we're gonna find a stock here. Looking for something with a lot of volume. Yeah, this one looks good. This one looks pretty good. See, the 2-hour candle is red though, but we are on a 30-minute green. We're on a 5-minute and a 1-minute red. I might wait till we're on a 1-minute red, 5-minute red, and the 30-minute. I might wait till those all match up, and then we'll try and get in there. Let's look for something else. Okay, that's green. That's green, red, red. Hey, that's not bad. This one might actually be the ticket. Looking at tests right now. Yeah, so let's pull up ISIG on our other corner here. And we're just gonna be watching. Alright, I think I'm gonna get in right here. Oh shit. Wrong stock. Here we go. I'm gonna get in right here. Not bid. Turn my speakers off. Alright. Actually, we need to wait until the bid lines up with the price. A lot of buying right now. 60, they'll take that one. Let's see if we can get that. We got it. Yes, on this one, we're really going to try to not take any more than one share. It's going to be one, and then we're only going to average down if we really are trying to get out of the trade. Because I'm really trying to save all the capital for ISIG. Nice bounce there off the 1 minute chart. 5 minute looks like it's gonna break out. Tanked on the 30 minute. We got about 15 minutes till market open here. We're really looking for action on ISIG at market open. If it decides to tank, I'm just gonna load up on the strong side back up. So we're just waiting right now, waiting for the rebound. Or we're waiting for it to break that 5 minute trend that's looking like a breakout, and then we're looking to average down and make money on the way back up. Yeah, so ISIG really looks like it's holding that support there at around $11. So I'm hoping that it holds it and then it just bounces right back. If not, we got the capital ready. We're gonna start adding once it dumps a bunch, and then we're gonna wait for strength to come into the stock, and then we're gonna start adding. There you go. There's a little bit of strength on TESS. Five-minute chart on ISIG looks pretty good. It almost looks like it's uptrending and it's trying to break out on the bullish side. So we're gonna see. Yep, looks like it's gonna break out. There it is. There's the breakout. Let's see how high it wants to go. Got some rejection there. Yeah, so if it breaks out, really gonna be looking for $7, 7.10, you know. Yeah. $7, 7.10, something around there. What's news looking like on ISIG? It's about the biggest movers. Huh. Looking like we're nearing breakout time on TESS. Five minutes till market open here. ISIG is falling hard towards support right now. Looks like it could be shorting before the market opens or something. Either way, I'm cool with it. If we have three at, let's say we get three at 1394, I think. And then let's say we take three at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll leave my average at 1225. Huh, that should be a good average. Let's say we can do three at 9. It'll leave me with a $9.83 average. Okay. So we're hanging out right now. Either any way this goes, if it dumps hard, there's gonna be a rebound, and I'm gonna be looking to get in at a good strength on the way back up. One minute till open here. 1 minute till open here. All right, it is market open. Let's see what ISIG is doing. Looks like it's already coming up, all right. Wow, big jump on ISIG. Well, we're really looking for a big jump on the 30-minute and the 2-hour. Watching TESS right now. Looking to get out of my position at 660. So ISIG is rejecting off of, looks like 1150. That looks like a resistance there. So if we can break 1150, I think we got a real good chance of going back up towards $15 or my price, $14. Waiting on TESS to get me in the green, and then I'm gonna get out of there. Just barely had me in the green. I want a little more. Yeah, 669 will probably work for me. Big rejection there off 630. Might want to cancel my order and reevaluate. Keeps rejecting off that zone there. Looks like 640. I just broke it. That might be a nice short to try and fake out stop losses, or, you know, try and scare buyers out. Maybe to get in a better price before it rockets. So I'm not worried about that just yet. I want to see big rejection off the top end going down. Looks like ISIG is pulling up on $12. That's a good sign that we're going to be seeing strong upside today. Currently waiting on test to just get me in the green. Minute chart on ISIG looks like it wants to break out of that zone that it's going in. It was kind of in a bearish zone. It looks like it wants to break out of there. All right, I'm trying to take that there at 668. Okay, it looks like it's holding strong around that area, so I'm just going to wait on pulling out right now. There we go, 670s. I'm going to try and take it there at 677. Okay, cool. We went out with a 13-cent gain on that. So I'm going to switch the script back to ISIG right now. And then I'll pull up GameStop on the right side. All right, so right now, ISIG is looking like it's dumping. But there was big price rejection on the upside, telling me that it tried the breakout, and then it just, boom, there was a lot of sellers. So that might be an indicator that a lot of those sellers that were there got their orders filled, and now there aren't any sellers there. Then we got to wait for more sellers to come in. I mean, there probably are still sellers there, right? So we got to wait for more sellers to come in, a lot more, and then it's going to even reject harder off that zone, or it's going to be seen as a zone where its price is going to want to touch that zone, so they might put their sell order higher. But either way, we're just watching right now. Not really sure what it's doing. It looks like it's dumping, so we got the capital ready. We got about $50, $48, something like that. That should get me 3 shares, really. 4 shares, 4 shares. And depending if it keeps dumping, then it'll get me more, and I'll be able to average down even harder. So we're just waiting. GameStop looks like it rebounded off that off its support zone, which is like 160, something like that. So right now we're kind of waiting for a rebound on the 30-minute. It looks like it really, yesterday when I bought it, I really bought it around $14 right there. I expected another breakout, didn't break out. It broke towards the downside there, and then now we're on a slow downhill. So what I'm expecting today is a correction up, and then I'm not expecting too hard of a correction up. I'm expecting just one up to like $14, back to that support line where it is about $15. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy. If we see some weird action, like it just goes skyrocketing or it just dumps, that's gonna be immediate action for me. I'm gonna look to be actively trading the stock. But right now we're just gonna be watching it the majority of the time, looking at different plays. Maybe there's other stuff. As of right now, no. Seattle is just up 100 something percent. Maybe we'll look at that. Looking to break new highs there. And it got rejected. See if it wants to test it again. Look at that. Okay, I'm trying to get in. So it keeps touching that tip of the candle. Looks like it's trying to break out. Not enough buyers right now. But we're gonna wait. Maybe it can do it. Still doing it. Still hitting it. Still hitting it. We're watching on the 1 minute chart right now. There we go. Ah, I didn't do it. It's okay. I mean, it still might. Let's see. There's some good buying right there. Man, those buyers are really fighting right now. So I think it looks like it might want to break out. Resistance at $6.10 right now. Let's see if we just eat through that resistance, if there's enough buyers to just boom. Oh yeah, look at that. Eating up the shares, and we're moving back up. See if we can get a run to the upside now. There we go. Let's see what we can do here. If we can break 625, I think that's what, yep, and we broke it. Just barely, just barely. So let's see. Okay, it's rejecting higher than the previous rejection off the lows. Let's see if it closes that way. A lot of buyers right now. It does look like sellers are in control. That's why they're kind of keeping it, you know, slanted almost. But that's okay, because the script is flipping right now. So let's see if sellers get tired out and buyers keep breaking through that boom boom. You know, they keep breaking that resistance level. Looks like we're getting close there. See if this is it. See if this one will do it. Oh man, the buyers are just eating. They're eating the orders. Let's go. So I want to see it break through that other point there, which was like 718, 720 around there. I want to see it break through there. Yeah, that was 619 was that. Real aggressive right now. Look at that. Just strong rejection off the bottom. Looks like we're going to be going to the upside now. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, I'm going to add one share here. See if I can even get it. No, I didn't get it. Cancel that order. Alright, I'm taking one there at 643 if I can get filled. Yep, got filled. And we're going to try and re-enter now. Looking real strong right now. I'm going to just take one right there. And I'm going to get out at about 648. ISIG isn't really doing much. It looks like it's just sticking around at 1050 right now. So looks like we're going to have to wait out those shorts. I mean, Should probably cancel my order there since we're active on the stock now. That was when I was at 3 a.m. and the stock was like hovering $14 around there. Kind of blipped 14.20, and I was like, oh, I might take one there, reduce my risk, just get one share out of there, and I didn't make it. So I guess we're just waiting right now. Maybe it's for the better. Yeah, it runs or whatever, and still got 3 shares. So we'll see. We'll see. As of right now, we're just waiting. We're up 30 cents on the day right now. Realized gains for those trades we just made. We're gonna try to make it about $5 again with what we have. We're gonna go back to Seattle. Still holding strong, about 640 right now, so that's good news. I might wait for a dip. Something around 620 might be my entry. And then I want to see strength on the way back up. So I'm going to pull up ISIG on the right side now. We're just going to have that chill in there. That's going to be on our watch. EXPR and OMER are actually moving right now. I'd be glad to get out of those if I had the chance. They are moving. But we're going to wait. It's not enough for me to get out right now. So we're going to wait and see what goes on. So we'll pull up our 620. Okay, we're at 620 right now. So we're gonna look for strength going upwards now, because now we're back down at 610. So we're gonna wait for strength and then we're gonna re-enter. This looks like it will be a good entry. We've made a nice swift move down to support. So if we can get strength on the upside, let's see if we can. Nice rejection there. Okay. That's real nice rejection there. That's showing even more strength. I'm going to get in right there. Looking to come out maybe 630, 640. Looks like we're testing the highs on the previous candle. ISIG is still hovering right now, which I kind of like. It's kind of showing that there is more strength at 1030 than there was at the previous, which was like 1140 or something like that. So it's looking like we're starting to see some strength in the stock, and it's getting closer and closer to where I want to average down my positions at. Looking to get out here at SYTA very soon. Looking for 630, 640. There's 630. See if we can break that, and we can go for half in between 30 and 40. Good move on ISIG right there. Buyers still looking control on SYTA. I'm going to take that right there, and we're out for about 20, 30 cents, something like that. Now we'll wait for a pullback, and we'll do that again. Looks like it's showing strength right now at the 640 zone again. But it did reject off of maybe 45, looks like. I'd be looking for an entry on 620 again. We might consider strength at 620 and look for an entry at 630, it looks like. Looks like it's getting good rejection there off of 630, 632, something like that. So going into consideration right now. It's testing the highs. And wait for the next pullback and jump in. There you go. I'm in at 635. Looking to get out at 650. Okay, we just touched 40. See if we can break through 40. Looks like it keeps trying to touch it, but it's getting quickly rejected. So if we can just knock out those sellers there, I think we'll have a great swift move. Still touching 640, looking to get all those sellers out of the way. Big rejection on 640 now. All right, we're back down to 620. Let's see. 615 now. Big rejection off 615. All the way back up. Looking to test 640 again with more strength. This is even stronger than our previous time testing it. We might break through this time. There we go. We're breaking through. See if we can get 650. Just barely touching 650. Doesn't want to break. We're at 650. There we go. Broke 650. I got an ask at 652. 658. That's my ask. Looks like we're going down. We need to approach it with more strength. Might want to actually take another right there. iSig is still hovering around that 1050 price. Looking good for strength right now. Back to SIDA, still looking for just a bulldoze past 650. A lot of sellers came in at 658. Looks like it was probably limit orders or it was shorting ready to go at that resistance level. Just overpowered that breakout. So we looks like this next attempt should be the one that is going to win. I got one order at 658. Let's see if we can take another at 650, 650 something. It's testing that low rejection off 635. Looks like bears are in control. Might need to see more rejection around 630 for it to have enough momentum to go up. There it is. And we got momentum on the upside. Big resistance there at 645. Looks like we're consolidating, waiting for that slam to 645. Looking like we're going to test that resistance again at 645. Not sure if we're going to be able to break out this time. Might need more momentum. Yeah, so when I say momentum, it just means the stock's got to dump, and then it's got to have a lot of buyers interested, and the sellers are actually going to move down their orders, and then we'll just blow right past them. Big upside on ISIG. Looks like we just jumped about 60 points. We're at 1140, 1150, 1160 now. 1180. Might want to start taking a look at ISIG. Looks like it broke out on the 30-minute, which is excellent, but it did hit that resistance at around $12. So if we can see a breakthrough to $12, I might wait for the dip and then enter in on some strength. Okay, this looks like the momentum we're needing on SYTA to break through that top. There's rejection. Okay, it's testing the low rejection. That could be a bearish case. Good rejection again, just slightly lower. Looks like we have momentum going back up. Looking to break through resistance at 620. If we can do that, that's plenty of momentum right there. And we just ate through those. We're going back up. Next resistance at 625. See if we can eat through those. Looks like we just tapped 625. Not enough momentum right now. Oh, we're slowly eating it. There it goes. And we're broke out of 625. Looks like we're going back up. See how my other positions are doing. They're all right. We need to break out of 640 right now. ISIG is just going bonkers right now. I need to get ready. How much capital I have? I'm going to take one more at ISIG right here. Oh, no. One more there. Got it. Now I'll just wait. That brought the average down about 50 cents. Back looking at SYTA. Looks like we got a lot of buyers right now interested at this price. So if we can get some real strong momentum, which I think we do have, we just need to wait for some nice rejection. A lot of sellers right now, and the buyers are they're in a kind of war. They're fighting right now for this stage. So whoever wins is going to determine the direction of the stock, and I think it is bullish. So sellers won right now, but let's see how this rejection is. This might be the momentum we're looking for. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me see my capital right now. Okay, I got $24. That's okay. Not too worried about ISIG right now, so that's okay. My big concern was if it went down to like $7. That would have been a big concern. But I think it is gonna be making that kind of U back up to the highs. So looking back at SYTA, really looking for some momentum right now. Kind of break past that zone that we're stuck in. Looks like we got buyers all day, but there's just so many sell orders coming in. Like it's just competing with the buyers. There you go. Waiting for some real nice rejection on SYTA. Then I might add one more share. Okay, I'm taking one right there. Now we're looking for a big run up to the upside. Might be like 20 minutes until we're completely at the top. Not sure though. We're gonna have to see. Waiting on that big run up. How much capital do I have? Nah, I'm not sure about taking one right now. I'm just gonna save that capital. I don't want to really spend it all, so we're just gonna wait. I probably should take one right now, but because of how much capital I have, I'm only sitting at about $18. Nah. I'd rather have the capital ready in case I am wrong, which I think I'm right now, but in case that I am wrong, I need to be prepared. There's the run up. Looking for about 640, which is probably going to be here in the next 15 minutes. We'll see how quickly it takes out all these sell orders. Might be sooner, so we're gonna keep looking right now. ISIG is hovering about $11 to 11.30 right now, so that's good news. Getting ready to take profits on SYTA if need be. All right, we're hitting my position right now. See if we can blast through. Yep, we blasted through right there. We're still hovering around my position. It took a quick bounce back. Let's see if we can get just above 620, maybe close to 630. I'm going to take one out, reduce the risk, and then we're going to wait for 640 on the other two. Nice rejection there. It took a dump and just quickly rejected, so that's great news about strength. We'll keep watching right now. ISIG is hovering closer to 11 now. SYTA is looking to show some strength right now. If we can blast through 620, looks like we're gonna. Feeling a large sell order right there at 620. Okay, looking to get out close to 630 right now on one share. Looking like it's really testing that 630 zone, so I might want to wait a little bit longer and actually hold that one share. It's looking like it's going to break through. There's a large resistance at 630 though. I think we are going to break through it. Could be a fake order, trying to trick buyers out. Most of the orders right now are like 1 to 5,000. This one's a 20,000 share order. And usually when I see orders like that, I'm a little skeptical. It's either a huge whale knows something, or it's a fake in the case of they're short and they don't want buyers to pass that certain price, so they're going to place a fake order, kind of scare people out into selling earlier. Big rejection there off 610, something like that, 610, 615. Looking to head back up towards 630 right now. Would you look at that? I don't think it's a fake order. Oh, oh, it was. He moved it. I think he moved it higher, but that's okay. I'm taking one right there at 635, waiting on the rest. We're at 640. I'm gonna wait for 650 on the rest of the two. At 640, we're hovering about 635, 640 right now. Bears are in control. Yeah, big fighting going on right now, so hopefully we can take it to the upside. EXPR and OMER, the two stocks that we're also holding other than ISIG, they're looking like they're slightly coming back. So that's good indications right there. We could put capital behind them and average down and try and get out sooner, but I don't think I want to put more money behind those. I'm just going to let those get as close to my position as I can. And if I see that they're going to profit, I'll hold them a little bit longer. If not, then I'll just cut them and we'll take the loss and we'll start investing somewhere else. Like we got rejection right now at 630. We pop back up to 635. Looking to blast through 640. Bunch of sell orders right now, about 635 to 640. It's almost time to be hitting 650. We're probably running about 3 minutes. We might hit 650. Big dump there, bound down to the bounce at 630, and we're a little below it right now, so we're looking for rejection. If not, it's bear territory. Getting slight rejection right there. If it bounces hard up to 630, I think we're okay. And it did. And we're past 630. ISIG is back under $11. But that big jump and that big price rejection tells me a lot, so I think we're in for a treat today. Look, we're heading up to 650 now. We're at 648. Let me see 650. I'll take one. Then we got another sell order at 658. Okay, I'm taking one there at 650. See if we can get filled. Okay, we're filled there. Waiting for that next one at 658. We got filled there at 658. Great. All right. We're sitting at $1.41 in profit right now. We got ways to go, so we're just sitting right now and looking. Let's keep at it at SYTA. Looks like it's the play right now. Still making moves up. Almost don't want to chase this one right now. I'm going to wait for a consolidation period. A little bit of pullback. Might want to see 640s. Depending on how high it goes. As of right now, I want to see 640s. Looks like we're rejecting off the top. Oh, right back up. A shot right back up. Headed back down. Testing that bottom rejection. We're at 6. Yep, we're under 660 now. So it rejected pretty hard. I'm looking for about 640. Maybe I'll do 645 to 650. Still looks a little too strong for it to hit 640. It looks like the bottom of that other candle is 644. So yeah, I might actually want to get in 650. And right now we're testing 650, so I'm going to try and get filled right there. Okay, we're in at 650. Target zone, I'm going to say 670. Position is at 654. I'm looking to take another if it goes down to 640. Heading back up. Looking to test 660 again. We beat 660. Looking to hit 670. If it beats 670, I'm out for that one share. Actually, you know, if it beats 670, if it beats 672, I'm going to hold on to that one share until we see signs of reversal. Nice rejection. I'm going to get out there. As of right now, no. We're back at 650 under. Now we're heading up to 660. A lot of volatility right now. Almost waiting for a spike down I want to add. A lot of strength at 650 right now. It looks like it just does not want to break that support level at about 6. Yeah, it's like 6. It's like exactly 649, 650. Doesn't want to break that support right now. It does look like there's a lot of buyers. Okay, we're back up towards 660. Trying to really protect my capital right now. I don't want to put too much money behind the stock because I'm trying to save it all for ISIG. Looking to go towards 670 now. It's above 660. Let's see if we can break 672. Looks like there's not a lot of sell orders at 672, so I'm assuming sellers think it's going to break past. Either that or they're just not limit orders, you know. People are waiting to be actively trading in it. Ooh, big buy orders right there at 660. Looks like we're heading downwards. The resistance was at about 667. Oh, we took a nice dump there down to 630. I'm actually going to take one right there. Nice rejection there, and it's on the way back up. Average is now 641. Looks like it's staying strong at about 630. Waiting for some really good rejection right now. There's a strong rejection. Looking to head up towards 640. Okay, we're approaching 640. See if we can break out of 636. And we broke out of there, okay? Looking for 650 now. Might take one out at about 650. Yeah, I'll take one out at 650. Hovering around 640s now. Projection off the top there. Heading back up towards 640, see if we can break it. Big rejection off 640 again. ISIG is still showing strength. It's just slowly creeping up there. We might be due for another big bounce. Yeah, big rejection off the top and also the bottom. Right now we're hovering in the middle. See who wins this one. Looks like we're trying to test those top projections right now towards 640. See if we can break past it. As of right now, we got 2 shares. Okay, we didn't break past it. We actually rejected lower. And we're trying to test that rejection on the downside right now. Okay, nice rebound off the downside. We're going back up to 630. Hopefully that's enough momentum. It bounces past 640. Looks like we're trying to approach 640 right now. We're still getting rejected off that top, about 630s, something like that. Broke the rejection down at 623. Still not enough conviction for me to assume that this is bear territory. I think it's just real good pressure to add momentum on the upside. There we go. That was a big dump right there. That might be just what we need. Okay, we're still dumping. There's rejection. See if it breaks it again. A lot of buy orders right now, so I think we're going to be rejecting right now. All right, headed towards the upside of 630 right now. ISIG is still sitting pretty right under $11. And some of those holdings that I was, like OMER and EXPR, they are doing a little better right now. I wonder if it's worth it to cut it now and free up some capital. I'm only down about $3 in total from both of those. Because there's no guarantee they're going to keep going, but chances are they might. Okay, we're nearing 630 on SYTA right now. Just hit 630 and we're past it. Heading up towards 640. Nearing 640. Just broke 640. Looking for 650 to exit one. Just past 640. Looking for the 50s right now. $645. Looking to break 650. Okay, rejecting hard off 640. Bouncing back up with enough momentum. Hopefully we can break out. Wasn't enough. See, it looks like it's going to try it again. There it goes. There it goes. Still hovering around 640 with strength. Rejected downwards towards 630s. Let's see if it makes a bump. Okay, it bumped up. Let's see if we can get past the rejection. Looking to go upwards of 640s now. Just testing 640 right now. And we're past 640. Looking for 650. Taking one there at 655. Holding one just for a good run. Might take the last one at 670. If it passes 670, close to $8. So, sorry, $7. Big dump there. And rejection. Let's see if we can get a bunch of momentum. Just break past all the cells and just go parabolic. This might be a last minute move trying to keep the stock down. If it shows enough strength, I might add one more. ISIG is now hovering about 10.5 right now. That's still considered strength for me from the low, which was $10. Okay, SYTA is heading closer to the rejection zone of 615. If it rejects again, it might have enough momentum to go up. Looks like rejection there. Looks like it's trying to reject again. So let's see what it does. I'm feeling we might be in for a treat here. There's some good rejection. Let's see if we can hold it. Let's check my capital real quick. I got about $30. I want to take another ISIG, but I think I should protect the capital. I think $30 is good to hold in case it goes lower. I don't think it's going to go lower, but in the case that it does, you know, I need to have the capital ready. So I think 4 shares is going to be my max position on ISIG then. I'm just going to wait it out now and see what it does. But back to SYTA. Could be looking to break out here. Back towards 670s. And it's testing that rejection zone, and it just got rejected hard off 610. Yeah, 615. Just got rejected hard off 615. Looking to come back up. Looks like we're heading up. So I got rejected off the top there at about 625. If we break 625, looks like we might be seeing a run. Okay, looks like it's looking to go lower. Hopefully we can see rejection off the bottom. About 615 again. So right now I'm really looking for strong rejection and to keep that momentum coming. Low volume on the stock right now. It could be an indicator that we're gonna go crazy soon. Okay, looks like it broke that rejection at 615, so we're going lower. That was a nice bounce. Now we're back up towards 620. And we're testing 615 again. Nice rejection there, going up towards 620 right now. See if we can break 620. And we broke it. Going up towards 630. Broke 630, looking for 640. Approaching 640. No rejection quite yet. There's some rejection. Going right back up towards that rejection. Looks like it wants to test it. Just waiting right now. Looking like it's hovering about 630s. It's 10 o'clock right now, so we're overtime on the cutoff time. So as soon as we exit this position, you might want to end the video and see what's up with tomorrow. We'll look through some other stuff. We'll analyze the rest of our positions, and we'll see what's going on and what we need to do. And then I'll cut the video, get some food, and over that, take a break, and we'll see what needs to be done. So it broke 630 going downwards, but we're seeing a quick jump from 620 to the upside. Looks like it's rejecting, trying to head back up towards 630. We got a bunch of buy orders right now. Looking to sell this last share at 670. 670 or higher. A lot of buying right now. There he goes. See if it can pass 635, and it did. Up to 640. See if we can head past 640. At 640. Now we're past it. Let's see if we can get 650. Back under 640, but we're still testing 640. Still looking strong. Rejected off of 635. Actually rejected off of 630s. Still getting rejected off 630s. That's a good sign. But I want it to get rejected and go close to 640. I don't want it to get rejected and keep going closer to 630. That's not very strong. Okay, we're heading up 640s. Very good. We're past 640s. Hands on the sell button. Getting ready to sell here if we hit anywhere close to 660, past 670, around that. I want to see nice moves up. Got rejected off of 640, yeah. Looking to test the bottom rejection at 630. If it breaks through, it might give us enough momentum on the upside. And it didn't, so it might be a little bit longer now. But let's see. Broke 630s. We just that might be enough momentum right there. I want to see strong rejection off 625. Looks like that's where it got rejected. 625, 627. Nice. It looks like we did have a strong rejection there. Looking to head back up to 640s. Hovering around 630 right now. Okay, looking to test 40, wants to go back up. Getting close to the 40s. Past the 40s. Lots of momentum right now on the upside. Big resistance at 645. We can break through that. I think we got a good chance of heading towards 660. Past 645. Hands on the sell button. Looking to test 650 right now. Large order. If we break past 650, that's amazing. We're past 650, heading to 660. Getting close to 660 here. Took a nice dump there. Looking to have enough rejection and momentum to send us through 670. So it might be a while until it breaks 660, 670. So I might call it in just a minute here and take profit about 655, depending on how strong it is at around 655. It's going to depend. ISIG is still hovering about 1050, going towards $11. So I'm feeling pretty good about that one right now. Nice rejection on SYTA. We're coming back up. Heading towards 640s again. See if we can break 640s here. We're nearing it. It's still looking good. I'm excited right now. ISIG is looking good. SYTA is looking good. Sun shining through the window. Just touching 640. It's looking to break. And it broke. Broke, got rejected. Let's, okay. Broken got rejected, and then it got rejected again at 635. So it looks like we're chilling in the middle right now. Lots of strength towards the upside of 640. Let's see if we can get 650s right now. Hovering around 640. About 15 minutes over time right now. That's okay. Still hovering at 640. A lot of strength right now. And we're rejecting. We're rejecting back down to 630. Let's see if that gives us enough momentum to push past 640s. It's coming back up to 640. Chilling around the rejection zone at 630, might go lower. Popping back up from that rejection on the low side. It looks like it got rejected at 630, and we're having it around 630 right now. Let's see if we can hold it and move higher. Bouncing off 630 to the upside, nearing 640s. A lot of rejection on the downside. Should give us enough momentum to the up. Touching 640s, looking to break. Broke 640s. Bouncing over 640s again, heading towards 650s. Strong momentum right now. Going to 660s. See if we can break it. Hovering around 650. Looks like we're stuck at about 650s again. Nearing 660. Past 660, looking for 670. Broke 670. Looking for a parabolic move right now. 680s. Back at 680s. A lot of fighting right now, not too much rejection. I want to see rejection for me to get out. $687, nearing $690. At 690, look for 7. There's 7. 705. All right, coming out there. All right, that was 42 cents, something like that. Good. All right, that's 2% of our portfolio we made in about 2 hours. Is it 2%? It's a little less because we have about 120 something in capital, about 120. So let me just write down we're up $2 on SYTA plus $2. $2, and that is a triangle. 12-6. Good. All right. Now let's see here. We're just going to analyze some of these positions. OMER, how's it doing? We just got a strong bullish move up, and it looks like it even barely broke that resistance. So I could be expecting some more moves up. I'm going to hold it. Express. I don't know about Express. It seemed like it did get dumped. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, so Express seems like it did get dumped. And what? Okay, that's $13. Good. I was about to say 13,000. What are you talking? Nah, so it's got some move up. I'm not worried about Express either right now. So both of these I'm going to hold. Seems like that's a good deal. Let's go back to SYTA. Look how it's doing. Cool. So it looks like it had strong rejection on 7 there. We got it out the right time. That's good. All right. I'm going to quit it right now. We're going to stop the video. Yeah, ISIG looking like it's also pulled up over here, but that's fine. It's looking like it's just trying to break through $11 right now. It can't really do it. How much capital I got? I got about $40 in capital. No problem. If I really need the capital, I'm going to liquidate my Express and OMER and get the capital. But as of right now, I think we're good. I think it's got room to go on the upside. I could just tell from that rejection right there on the 1277. It looks like price really wanted to hit it, and it didn't really get the chance to how to say it? It didn't really get the chance to stay up there right now. There's too many people thinking that it's bearish right now, and it's not. It's just not it's not bearish right now. It's bearish right now, but that rejection tells me it's getting bullish. That's what I'm trying to say. It's starting to get bullish. So not worried about it one bit. We're just gonna let it ride. I'm gonna get some food, do some Uber, stuff like that, and we're gonna come back maybe later. I don't know if I'm gonna turn the camera on later. I'll probably just release this one right now, and then we'll just see you guys tomorrow morning again. Okay, I'm still gonna probably trade today and get some more activity in the market, see what's going on, but it probably won't be recorded. Okay, take it easy. This is like day 5. I think day 5. Yeah. Anyways, all right, peace out. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Let me know if you see any things that I'm doing that are bad. Let me know if you see any things that I'm doing that are good. You like the things that I'm doing. Help me out. I hope I'm helping you guys out. Okay, peace out. Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, take it easy.